Let me take the pleasure of inviting Mr. Gulshan Kumar to come and address you all. He's going to be talking about architecture as a subject. He's been an associate professor, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Architecture. He's the founder director of FADU, FADU. And he looks FADU also, and I'm sure his session is also going to be very FADU. So over to you.
आपने नाश्ता किया ना अच्छे से? And it's my pleasure to see my one of the first teachers in SIS. So because of you, I'm here. Because she allowed me to work even when I was there in the institute for 6 months, because I took BSc before joining architecture, because architecture took a lot of time to give the admission to us. So I joined BSc in SIS Science. And my eldest brother was there, and she was one of the pioneer in SIS Science for all the activities and all the events which were taking care, which were being organized by the college. So even being out of the college, I was still working with that college, for their set design. So that was one of my first stint to work as a set designer, with their, college. So I really thank you, ma'am, and yes. My presentation is just actually it is a very long presentation. It's 72 slides. So because the time allotted is 10 minutes, so I have 7 seconds per slide, to be precise. So I'll try and run through. So I'll just talk about what is architecture. Architecture is mother of all arts, which we must have heard in our colleges. And like ma'am said just before my presentation, roti, kapda और मकान, roti रोज 2 बार चाहिए, कपड़ा body को ढकने को चाहिए. And architecture is prosperity, जो सबसे बाद में आता है. राइट तो पैसा होगा तो आर्किटेक्चर के बारे में लोग सोचते, नहीं तो पहला रोटी और कपड़ा के बारे में ही सोचते. तो कपड़ा और मकान इज द लास्ट थिंग विच कम्स टू आवर माइंड. सो आवर हाउस, व्हेन वी थिंक ऑफ बाइंग अ हाउस और वी स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग हाउस, बाय द एज I think we cross the age of 35-40, then we start thinking about buying a house. Nowadays in this city where it's very costly, it's very difficult to buy a house also. So architecture is one of those noble professions which gives you the task of working for prosperity of others. People don't come to architects when they are having any problem. Like we go to doctor for a problem, we go to a lawyer for a problem, we go to chartered accountant for a problem. But architects ऐसे लोग हैं जो लोग के पास आदमी तब आते हैं जब वो बहुत खुश होता है, right? So whenever you are deciding on coming to this field, I think the first thing is, if you want to really work for the prosperity of people, लोगों के अच्छे के बारे में सोचना, तो ही फिर आर्किटेक्चर में आओ. So otherwise then it is just a profession, So I think that is very important part, because you are going to build a society. आप एक society, एक समाज की संरचना करने वाले हो. So for that you need to have that kind of holistic approach, right? Okay, so architecture in general, I'll just talk about what is architecture. It's about creating spaces. This is famous Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad, which can be built or unbuilt. हम लोग कुछ बना के, बिना बना के भी हम architecture के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. You see all the garden and you see a building in the background. And it is very importantly for the people. So architecture is always for the people. मैं building बनाऊंगा, building खड़ा करने के लिए नहीं बनाऊंगा कि एक टावर बना दिया 10 फ्लोर का और खड़ा है वहाँ पे जगह पे. I will always make for a person or a people or a set of people. It can be at work or it can be for leisure, right? हम लोग आराम करने के लिए बना सकते हैं, हम लोग काम करने के लिए बना सकते हैं. Then it is also visual, right? दिखने में interesting लगे, वो आर्किटेक्चर का काम है. It can be experiential, आप नेचर को एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो. It can be through art forms. This is famous place called in Panjim. There is academy which is done by great architect Charles Correa. So this is an illusion painting on the wall. This is not actually like a 3D structure. It is actually a painting on the wall. Then it is also taking care of the crafts and arts, right? Then architecture also dwells into the conservation part. So all the heritage monuments, or majorly most of the buildings which I have taken is from Gujarat or Rajasthan or Maharashtra, the western zone. So you can identify them. And it's also about the social cultural fabric of the city. Ecology, because you have to balance the nature. आप सिर्फ construction में concrete और cement और रेती और ईंट का बात नहीं करेंगे. You will talk about nature also, because you have to build nature parks, you have to make nature part of your architecture. So that is very important. It is also build for the common man's need. एक hut बनाना भी एक architecture है, एक shelter बनाना भी एक architecture है, right? And it can be for art and beauty. Even those two examples are of huts, very simple rural houses, but both of them have certain kind of beauty to it, right? Then in cities, when we talk about big buildings like government projects in Chandigarh on the top, then Jantar Mantar, then that is in Germany. The left-hand side building is the most visited house in the world, which is Frank Lloyd Wright's Falling Water. It was built on the falling water, like a waterfall. So it was built a weekend house on the waterfall. So that is why this house is very famous. It's the most visited house in the world. So you pay $20 to enter this house. So that is also, after the architect is died, this building still remains as his masterpiece. Okay. Then it is merging with the city. Now you see cities all across the world, the third world countries that people call, all the cities which are developing. And there are also some informal, settlement. We don't call it slum, we call it informal settlement. Because they are also important for us to survive. Then something which is rising above the city. So you have all the multi-story towers. Right one is the famous Kanchenjunga building, which is right opposite to Ambani's tower at the Pedder Road. So that building is one of the most famous because it had split houses, Every house had a penthouse kind of, concept. So then it's supported by art and sculpture. So you have paintings. So what does an architect do? अभी करते क्या है? ये तो सब हो गया. करते क्या है? So you have so many variations in the field of architecture. So on the left hand side, if you see the curve, it's about design professionals. So graphic design, visual communication, product design. So all these design subjects are also merged under the umbrella of architecture. So if you do architecture in the master's program, you can venture out into these fields. In the architecture, you have urban design, you have landscape, you have set design, and all these kind of elite fields. So if it's not that if you become an architect, you can only build a building. Okay, that is not always 100%. There might be people who venture into fashion, there might be people who venture into visual communication, there might be people who venture into animation, product design, and elite fields of graphic design and visual communication as well, and photography. So these are the kind of options that you have. So it's not that कि आपको photography, आप architecture करने के बाद photography नहीं कर सकते. So it is a very integral part of our field. So what you need to do to enter into architecture? So most of you must have known about these two exams, which are NATA exam and the other one is JEE Paper 2. So NATA is the National Architecture Test, so which is a national level aptitude exam, which is started by Council of Architecture, which is a body governed under the Article of Parliament, and it is a formal body like the Chartered Accountants Council. It's a very similar kind of body. So they have formulated this exam called NATA, so National Aptitude Test for Architecture. This exam from this year onward, it will be twice in a year. So April, I think 7th or 14th of April is one of the days, and in July, 7th is the next attempt. So earlier, like 3 years back, it was 4 or 5 times in a year. Because it's being a creative exam, very few could crack it on the first go. So that is the reason why the Council of Architecture had given 5 attempts. So best of the 5 was calculated. Last 3 years, they have opened it up for JEE Paper 2. So if you have given your IIT JEE 1 or JEE Paper 2, so JEE Paper 2 is the exam which is only focused for architecture and planning subjects. So if you do JEE Paper 2 entrance exam, you can qualify to go to the architecture college or the NATA exam. So these two are the options how you enter into the field. So I'm going to just show you the glimpse of what happens in architecture education. So we have learning process which is indoors and outdoors. Architecture is not a field कि आप classroom में बैठे रहोगे और एक teacher आएगा board पे chalk से लिखेगा और चले जाएगा. It is not that kind of field. It is a more experiential based field where you have to be abreast with all the latest technologies, latest happenings in the world, and latest construction, whatever is going around us. Everything you have to know. So it takes care of 2 ways of teaching. One is indoor and the outdoor. So outdoor has a lot of site visits, workshops where the outside experts, they come to your college, they visit you, they give you expertise, they train you for some kind of workshops. So these are the glimpse what happens in generally a classroom of an architecture college. So these are the site visits. So you go to nature, you study ecology, you go to sites where the building is being constructed, and then you go to the historical places like caves, obviously because caves were the first shelter made by the humankind. So we learn from them and then we try to imbibe that style or that design into our projects. Then this, on the right hand side, the big model that you see, it is about mass housing. So you have a township. So you design a township in the later years. So this talks about what is the process of studying. So it is very technical. We can discuss this afterwards. So it's always a mix of art and science. Science because it's building construction, so you are taking care of building. So you have to build the building using material. तो आप material use करेंगे, आप कुछ construction करेंगे, आप उसमें सलिया, रेती, सीमेंट ये सब use करेंगे, तो उसके लिए एक science लगता है. और art is towards the aesthetic part. So aesthetics takes care of. Sure. So it's on three principles, that is interest, initiative and involvement. These are the three principles on which architecture field is, can be taken up. So you have to have an interest. If you're really interested, then you can take the initiative, and then it needs your involvement. So these are the three eyes of architecture. So from roots to wings. So this is from first year to fifth year what happens. So I'll run through the pictures very quickly. So this is in the first year what you make. These are the small scale projects using paper, file cards, colors. You end up making a house, a small house at the end of first year. This is again learning crafts from outside. In second year, you go a little step ahead. You work on color harmony, schemes, small housing schemes, small projects, furniture design, detailing with the nature. In third year, you again go a little bit bigger. You take up community space. You make some artist village or some kind of that kind of project. On fourth year, you go on housing. So you make a bigger, townships or neighborhoods, that kind of design. So you can see all the models which the students have made. These are all students' work. This is not my work. This is all students' work. In fifth year, you work on your thesis. So your own thesis is like your project, your baby. So when you graduate in 5 years, you learn something in 5 years that you have to give back to the community. So I took up a project of art design. So my topic was Art Design Institute. So I developed an art district for New Bombay. Like Kala Ghoda festival, you must have seen. So I made a space which is specially for that. So there might be a student who takes up Central Jail. There might be a student who takes up an airport. So they can design an airport in the stage of fifth year. So that thesis has to be presented in the finals. So these are few examples of that. And beyond curriculum, you go outside, you work with the society, you work with NGOs. So we do a lot of work with a lot of NGOs. We collaborate with a lot of government bodies, and we kind of do lot of research for cities. So this is the overall gist of the architecture field. So don't wait, join. Thank you.
Thank you, Gulshan, for a very informative session. As Gulshan has now spoken about the outer structure of buildings, people die and go, but the building stays on forever. So that is what he meant to say, that this is something that will remain in your name if you take up architecture.